Hey guys, what is up? Today we are going to be playing Sanctuary. I don't know what to do, but I really I deleted. Like, I'm really weird when I read it. It's hard mode, and I had, oh my god, everything good. Now I have this crappy world. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Alright, I only got like a little bit of NPCs over here. Top. I got some down here. And there. Doing this stuff. Let's see. Then we got some more over here. Here's like a special room on a hole before. I don't know what. Or just like a room, not NPC room. I just made it random. And then over here. Oh no. So this is what I got on. I got Dragon Mask, Dragon Armor, I got Bat Wings, Armor, Feral Claw, Click, Climbing Plus, Speaking of Star Power, Armored Water Walking Boots. Let's do Star Power. Then we got Deadly Death Cycle, Legendary Pixel. I like this weapon. Like a wizard. Oh, look at this one. Yeah! Yeah, guys, got all this too. I didn't know I had all this stuff. Snowballs, snow Pokemon, and like, I didn't know I had all this stuff. I mean, use it. Yeah. So I got that stuff. Let's see what's down here. Take this, it's not like this. Oh, what are these ones? What's in here? Ooh, good. Nice pickle. A little bit of good stuff. What? What just happened? What was that? We need to go check that out again, guys. Like, the heck is that? What is that? Explosives. The water stick. Should we go down? Yeah, let's go down. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes. Okay now. Whatever. That was really weird. Whoa, what's going on? Get out of here. Oh, stuff down here. Stuff down here. Oh, I need this. This. More. Oh, I get this. No, I can't use it. I need gold hearts. Who's shooting me? Oh, there's no one. Life crystal. Nice. Oh, God. Oh, my. Look at all That's awesome. It's so good. Well, not me, but if you guys, um, what is this? Wait. Okay, so we need to find out what this is, guys. I have no clue. These statues, I guess. Ooh, ooh, oh, yay! Yeah, yeah. Not as actual, but it's kind of cool to explore. Oh, no life crystal. Oh my. Whoa, get out of here, son. What? Get out of here. Jeez. Get out of here. I'm going. I'm getting out of this place. I'm just gonna go down more. Out here. Out here. Oh, here's another place. Oh, we don't have. So I give this. What's in this house? Ooh, nice. Ah, oh, I know what I did. Put some stuff in there. That can go in that. No. Okay. Explore this place. Actually, nah. I'm just gonna put it where's my chest. Okay. You can I'll put you up there. No. Imaginary. Okay guys, that's it for today's video.